The SmartUX Mobile Suite for Cherwell Service Management delivers a family of applications designed to improve the experience of IT staff, end users, and managers alike. In addition to the compelling out-of-the-box experience, these applications may be customized and extended to meet the needs of today's enterprise through the power of the SmartUX low-code platform. SmartUX applications deliver a best-in-class mobile experience on both iOS and Android, with support for all major device types and hardware features. The Requester app helps users help themselves with convenient access to the corporate knowledge base. It gives end users the ability to quickly report issues and request services using a customizable guided experience, allowing them to focus on their job and not on the ticketing system. This convenience also means users are more likely to make requests properly using CSM rather than seeking informal channels of support. By also delivering anytime, anywhere access to the status of their requests and messaging or calling the IT help desk, the SmartUX Requester app ensures users can easily get the help they need when and where they need it. IT staff are constantly on the go, and the Fulfiller application gives them the tools they need to increase efficiency and quality of life. A comprehensive dashboard displays all the critical metrics for individuals and their team so that they may better understand how to prioritize and manage their workload. From the dashboard, users may easily view, edit, and close tickets while mobile, keeping Cherwell Service Management constantly up to date and accurate, even though the IT staff may be away from their desks for much of the day. Interacting with users using the Fulfiller app's integrated messaging and phone services not only helps IT staff efficiency, but also increases end-user satisfaction through better communication and coordination. Managers can keep the service management workflow moving using the SmartUX Approver app, allowing them to instantly review and approve requests throughout their busy day. Like all SmartUX apps, the Approver experience can be customized to support the unique needs of the organization, including the integration of other back-end systems into the user's approval queue, delivering a single user experience across CSM, CRM, finance, HR, and expense systems, among others. As we've seen, the SmartUX Mobile Suite for Cherwell Service Management delivers a powerful family of off-the-shelf applications that can be customized and extended through the power of the SmartUX platform to meet the specific needs of any enterprise. To learn more, please visit www.powwowmobile.com. Thank you very much for your time.